Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can add a custom token on MetaMask wallet. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your MetaMask app. Right over here you're going to find this kind of interface. Now from over here you're going to tap on this option of import tokens, and then you're going to tap on this option of custom token. Now for you to create a token contract address, simply gonna add in whatever you would prefer for creating your address, and then you're gonna add in the token symbol. I'm gonna make a random one. Then you're gonna add the token decimal, which will be this much, and tap on next. And now we have created ourselves a token right away like that. I'm going to tap on import, and this token will be imported to my token section, and I'm going to be able to confirm it. That's how easy it is. I'm going to simply cancel for now, and that is it. So that's how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.